place for the sun to enter where one can sunbathe. Solarium. A glass container in which fish and other water animals can be kept. Aquarium. A place for feet or a speaker's platform. Podium. The part of a theater where people who are watching and listening sit. Auditorium. An optical device for projecting various celestial images and effects. Planetarium. An establishment for the treatment of the chronically ill. Sanatorium. A place where objects are exhibited. Museum. Trees whose leaves fall every autumn. Deciduous. That which falls upon befalls happens. Incident. That which falls to someone or something. Accident. That which falls on the Western countries. Occidental. The school or college one attends. Alma mater. A self-moving vehicle. Automobile. A machine that functions by itself. Automatic. A baby carriage. Perambulator. A carriage for sick people. Ambulance.